उफ, हाथ दुख गया। थोड़ा सा कपड़ा देना उधर। लॉल भाई। At or. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and we are making eggless butter cake. First we are adding butter. It is at room temperature. Then I am adding powdered sugar. This is how the butter and sugar mixture should look like, and this process is called creaming method. Now we are adding curd to this batter and milk. This is how the batter looks like right now. Now I am going to sieve all the dry ingredients, which is maida and baking powder and baking soda. Now I am going to mix until everything is combined and do not over mix the batter. Now I am adding vanilla essence. Now I am adding flour to dark chocolate callets. This step makes sure that the chocolate callets don't sink in the cake. Adding this to the cake batter. I have lined the cake tin. I am using a 6-inch cake tin. Now adding the cake batter to this. Now adding some more chocolate callets on top. Now I am going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius with both rods on for 30 minutes.